What's up, everybody? Devin up here. Peace, love, and blessings. Today we got the Kim X beats, man. Y'all already know I was gonna get them. Like, come on now, look at my resume. I ain't trying to brag, but it's sold out. I got them. Y'all already know how. If you want something, I'm the plug. You already know I'm gonna get them.
What do you mean by that?
All right, so without further ado, let's get it started. I got goals today. You got goals today. Let's get it done. Let's get it started.
Brought out the pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race in China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real thick vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, and turn your goofy dog. Pow, I do split on it, yes, split on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw bits on it. I'ma bust it open, go stupid and get bits on it. I don't date honey, cookie on tsunami. All my niggas wipe me once they get that good punani. I think he need the bunny, I might just let them find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile worth the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web and nitty. Ass bring me and Joe, nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it waiting the cow. Nick's name is Nikki, but my name ain't a cow.
I tell all my hoes, wake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, wake it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. What on the dope?
Alright, so right off the back at face value, these colors are really dope. I like the whole neutral color with these because honestly, any of these decisions, deciding which one you want, they're going to be good choices. Alright, first things first, let's get into the face value. Looking at these look really nice in person and I hope the camera's doing justice. So first you got Earth, really looks nice and amazing. Let me go and take this out and just look at that brown beauty right there. There we go. The next you got Dune. This is my favorite out of the three from what it looks like. But look at that nice caramel brown color, man. Again, I'm a fan of these on face value. And then lastly, you got the Moon. And out of these three colors, my favorite has to be the Dune because I feel like these would be the most easiest to go with, to kind of match with. I feel like you can throw these on with anything. Like if you're wearing, jeans, white shirt, throw these on. I'm telling you, it'll up your swag. And I feel the same with the Moon. The Moon can definitely do that too. But lastly, as far as Earth, I feel like Earth is more of a specific kind of day. I don't feel like you can kind of throw these on with the fit for real. Because, what could brown really go with for real? Besides like the winter time, I guess I would say. But for the ladies, these can go with your Louis bag. I'm sorry, fellas. I know I'm getting y'all in trouble, but think about it, yo. Look at the brown and look at the Louis bag, okay?
I am a rich bitch, Frederick. I shan't be putting my mouth upon a hot spoon. Blow it.
All right, so let's get into it. So when you first take it out, this is what you get. Really nice. Everything here is so organized, even down to the text. You get some directions and safety and warranty. And then lastly, let's just get into it themselves. Like, look at this. This just looks really nice. The color looks really nice. Like, they did a really good job trying to capture that nice color. And then next, we're gonna get into the Dunes. Again, really nice color. I can really see myself like really rocking these for real. And then on the inside, same as the Moon, you have the color-coded tips. Then also comes with the USB Type-C. And then lastly, you got the Earth. As I'm more looking at it, I'm kind of feeling these a little bit more, but again, really dope color, like coffee, bean, man, brownie looking color. Really looks really nice. And I'm gonna get into all three of them individually, but I just wanna show them off together. But again, what do you guys think about these? They did a really good job with these colors. Then on the inside, like I said, you got that mocha brown, man, color, or earth. And then once again, the same black color. Man, I just really wish they was just color coded, but. All right, so let's get into the spec aspect. All right, if you're a fan of the AirPod Pros or own the AirPod Pros, you just look at the tips, very similar to the AirPod Pro. And then also you got the wing tips right here to help it stay in your ear. Also for the specs, they have noise canceling, spotter audio, compatible with Apple and Galaxy. IPX4 rating, which is water and sweat resistant. So it do has the H1 chip installed, so it has the highest programming that we have right now. So with that, it has the latest and greatest technology, such as like good phone quality, Bluetooth range 5.0, so you get that nice range, so you can actually be away from your phone, be in the kitchen, bathroom, somewhere outside of your house, but not too far, and you'll still have a connection. So it gives you 6 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on. That's pretty good. That's hour than the AirPods Pro. 5 minutes worth of charging them gives you 1 hour of battery life. Very sensitive to the controls. As soon as I put these in my ear, the active noise cancellation kicked in. I don't hear nothing right now, so it feels good. What do y'all think? Feels comfortable, feels nice. I'm actually feeling the brown for real, like, you know what I'm saying? They look good, they look good. I'm feeling it, all right, yeah, so what y'all think? Feel nice and comfortable, they feel good. I like them. The color's dope, like what y'all think? All right, y'all, that's the end of the video. Like, what do y'all think? They did a really good job with these color schemes. I cannot lie on that. Like, I'm a fan of these. But with that being said, I'm done. Hope you guys like it. What do y'all think about it? Like, for real. The price is right, it's $200. The specs, truthfully, I mean, they're better than the AirPod Pros. For what they worth and what the collab is and everything, I give these a 10 out of 10. Like, I'm really a big fan of these. I like these. I think these are dope. I have no complaints about them. I really like them, so I'm a fan. So that being said, I'm out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I guys helped you out on deciding on what to get. And I'm out. Peace. Y'all be safe. You know what I'm saying? Stay blessed. Be thankful. And you'll be good in life. And I'm out. Peace.